Oh, that one just started up right there. Okay, it is Saturday, June 22nd, 2019. We're here in High Falls, New York with Vann Berg right there. We're doing a collab, and there's 3 Goodmans down there, a Heil and a Fujitsu over there. So a Fujitsu ductless mini split right there, and then an old Heil which is all overgrown. It's probably abandoned, I would imagine.
It's got a big recip in there.
Yep. And here's this Fujitsu right here, which is actually running. And the data sheet is crammed back there in the bush.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't get to the data sheet. Here's a few Goodmans.
I like this one. It's got cool fan blades. These appear to have been running.
Copeland scroll compressor in there.
2 large ones have Copeland scrolls.
Yeah, this is a 5-ton from 2005. So.
Can't really see
A smaller one, which has a Copeland recip. And this one has a Copeland scroll. Fan blades are spinning on this one.
Yeah.
And this is a 3.5 ton from 2000. Yeah, I can't see the year. Alright, so now we're at this Marbletown Animal Hospital right here, where they have a bunch of carriers on a brand new 2018 Heil. And yep, the Heil is the only one running. So yeah, 4-ton from 2018. And a nice Heil logo right there. Oh, that one just started up right there.
I always wanted to get one of the big ones started, so I got my wish. I'm sure you got me started on camera, right?
Yeah, probably.
That's always fun. This one sounds really nice too.
Yeah, see if we can get it started up.
Yeah, this one will.
2004, and yeah, it's a 5-ton. So. 2004 4-ton. That's a 5-ton from 2004. So. This one replaced a carrier from like around 2007 or something like that. Like a newer carrier.
Does have a millennium scroll compressor.
Yeah, it looks like all 3 of these have millennium scrolls. Yep.
And that one's a 2004 4-ton. This is
looks like it's got a Copeland skull compressor.
Sounds awesome. Sounds like a reset, actually. Sheets all the way down there.
Never seen one of these before. 13 sear. There we go. Hidden in the bushes.
I won't be able to get the data on them. But yeah, that's one of the...
I can get the data on it for you. Alright, it's from 2003 and it's a 4-ton. Nice unit. Yeah, I like that. Alright, so this place has a couple of Mitsubishi mini splits. One Mitsubishi and a Fujitsu. Here's a pane right here.
2006 2-ton. This carrier. It's always on. I don't know why it's on today.
Little baby carrier. Alright, that's from 2000 and it's a 2.5 ton. Here's another little carrier right here, which is abandoned. As Van said, it's got a Bristol compressor. Nice logo on the top. Another 2002 ton. Yeah, nice unit. Here's a little carrier which is buried in the mulch right here. Looks like a Bristol compressor. Yeah, that's a Bristol. And that sheet is pretty faded, but it looks like it's from 2002 and it's a 2.5 ton. Here's a YCC unit right here. I can't read the data on that. I can see it's a 3-ton, but I can't see what year it's from though. 2003, I think. Yeah. Alright, so now we're at this place where they've got some Yorks over there at Duquesne, and then over here there's an Armstrong Air. That's where we're headed.
Get the data sheet off of that.
Yeah.
And they have a Frigidaire window unit upstairs.
Alright, data. 4-ton. Is that right? Is it from 2008?
Oh, I see. 2016.
2016, okay. Yeah, I don't really know how to read the data on these.
Alright, 2014 Duquesne. Which I'm not going to film right now.
So that one is from 1990. That's from 1996. And Vann has gotten that one defrosting a few times.
Yeah, I got a big steam show out of that one.
Yeah, that was cool.
So
And then a Duquesne right there, which... What year did you say it's from?
2014.
2014.
Yeah, it was
okay.
a used unit. It seems like they're poor. But...
Yeah.
feel bad for them. They got one.
Alright, so here's a look at these units from up close. See, that's a 2-ton from 1990, like you said. Here's a 1997. Yep, listed heat pump. That's a 2-ton as well. This one has a Bristol compressor. It's kind of hard to see because it's got 4 fan blades. And then here's a Duquesne right here. Which the fan blades keep spinning. See the reversing valve right there? Copeland scroll compressor. Yeah.